So you must be feeling as energetic as I am because I am so excited for the class. You all must be or not? Great. Now class, it's time to begin with our today's classes. So today is Thursday. You all can read that now. Whatever I have written on the board, I am sure you all can read using your phonic skills. Now I have taught you how to read the words, isn't it? So let's start reading the board today. 17th December 2020. What day I have mentioned here? Thursday. Great. Class UKG. So you all are UKG students. Then subject Maths. Great. And what's the topic? Again, ascending order. So class, we have been doing this topic since last 2 classes. In the first class, I have taught you with single digit number. Then in the next, we did it ahead and we did 2 digits number. So today we are going to practice it once again using both single and 2 digit numbers. Is that clear? तो आज की जो आपने यहाँ पे numbers लिखे हैं, if you can see them, if you can read them carefully, you will find the numbers written are both single and 2 digits. Isn't it? Single digit numbers भी हैं और 2 digit numbers भी हैं. Again, numbers कोई भी दिए हो, smallest to biggest is one rule that we have to follow. Clear? So ascending order करने के लिए there is only one rule that you have to follow. And that is, we have to write our numbers from smallest to biggest. Yes. So जब भी हमें ascending order करना है, you only have to keep this rule in your mind. This is only one rule that should be in your mind. कि कोई भी नंबर दिया हो, be that 3 digits. अब आप काउंटिंग तो 200 तक कर चुके हो, तो हम लोग 3 digits भी यूज कर सकते हैं. सो कोई भी नंबर दिया है उसको एक ऑर्डर में लिखना है और वो ऑर्डर क्या होगा? स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट, यानी सबसे छोटे नंबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे और फिर हम बिगेस्ट तक जाएंगे. वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, जब बेबी होते हो आप, छोटे होते हो ना, यू ग्रो. स्मॉल से बड़े होते हैं ना हम हमेशा, isn't it? So that is what we have to do here. Small से big, 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 big पे जाना है. Clear all? So let's start solving these all, and then we will see the work how we are going to do in notebook. थोड़ा सा different रहेगा, okay? Let's see. So in the first block, the numbers given is 8, 11. 2, 4, 14, not 4, 14 and 5. Now tell me, just have a look to these numbers carefully once again and you have to tell me which is the smallest among them. सबसे smallest 0 होता है लेकिन वो यहाँ नहीं दिया है. अब हमें क्या देखना है कि जो numbers यहाँ दिए हुए smallest उसमें कौन सा है. Clear? So just tell me which is the smallest number among these 8, 11, 2, 14 and 5. So which is the smallest? Which number to be written first? 2. Yes, because 2 is the smallest. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 2 first. So I'll take a look. So what I'll do? I'll write 2 here. And this one will be cut. Yes, cut जरूर करना है. Remember that. जो नंबर आपने नीचे कॉपी डाउन करा है उसको कट जरूर करना है, अदरवाइज वो कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे आप. क्लियर? अब जो नंबर कट हो गया है हमें उसको देखना नहीं है. We have already done that. Now numbers we have 8, 11, 14 and 5. So which is the next number? अब जो numbers कट नहीं हुए हैं उसमें सबसे smallest कौन सा है? We have 8, 11, 14 and 5. So which is the smallest now? 5 is the smallest. So we will write 5 और क्या करना है? Yes, we are going to cut it like this. Now tell me, we have 8, 11 and 14. So which will be the next number after 5? 8. Very good. So we will write 8 and we'll cut it like this. उसको cut कर दिया हमने. Next we have 11 and 14. क्योंकि बाकी सबने देखा हमने cut कर दिए हैं. So we have 11 and we have 14. So which one will be here? Which one to be written here? 11. Yes, the next number will be 11. Again, now the last one we are left with 14. So we will write 14 here. Like this. ऐसे ही करना था ना? या I have told you some other thing? No, this is the way? Exactly, because this is the only way. Smallest to biggest. और जो number हम copy करेंगे, we have to cut out. Clear? Next, 29, 3, 19, 11 and 6. Now tell me which is the smallest among these numbers. जो आप नंबर दिए हैं आपको B ब्लॉक में, सेकंड वाले ब्लॉक में, those are 29, 3, 19, 11 and 6. So which is the smallest now? Tell me. Yes class, 6. So should I write 6 there? No, 3 is the smallest. Very good. So I'll write 3 and I'll cut this. Now we have 29, 19, we have 11 and we have 6. Now tell me what is to be written here? 6. Very good. So we are going to write 6 here and we will cross it down. Understood? Next we have 29, 19 and 11. So which one is the next one? Again I am repeating beta. 29, 19, 11. So you know. Counting में अब कौन सा आएगा 6 के बाद? 11 will come. Yes. So we will write 11 here and I cut this. Now we have 29 and 19. In one we have two group of 10 objects and 9 objects, and here we have one group of 10 objects and 9 objects. तो बताइए कौन सा small है दोनों में? 19 is small. Yes. So 19 cut, and lastly we are left with 29. So we will copy 29 and then we will cut this out. Is that clear to everyone? Now we have 40. Now the block number C I am talking of. 40, 38, 2, 15 and 29. So see here and tell me which is the smallest now. 40 है, 38 है, 2, 15 and 29. अब बताइए मैम को सबसे पहले हम कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे इधर? I mean that side, not this side class. उस साइड हम कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे सबसे पहले? We will write 2 because 2 is smallest in this series. Okay? So again cut it and copy 2. Next, which will be the next number? 40, 38, 15 and 29. So next will be 15. Yes, very good. Which will be the next? 38 or 29? कौन सा होगा next हमारा? Class, here we have 38, there we have 29. अब next number क्या आएगा? 38. We have 3 group of 10 objects and 8 objects. We have 2 group of 10 objects and 9 objects. So which one is smaller? 29 is smaller. So we will write 29 and then next 40 or 38? 38. Very good. 38 आता है ना before 48 से. And last we will write 40 and we will cut them both. Understood? So 2, 15, 29, 38 and 40. Clear all? Now we are here with the last 8, 15, 12, 5 Next will be 12. And last we are going to copy 15 from here. Understood? So class, this is how you will do your work of ascending order, in which we write numbers from smallest to biggest. Clear? This is only one thing you have to keep in your mind while doing your ascending orders, कि जो भी numbers दिए हैं, single digit हैं, 2 digits हैं, 3 digits हैं, कोई भी number दिया हुआ है, you only have to write them in the order जहाँ पे आप सबसे पहले smallest लिखोगे, और लिखने के बाद जब हम उसको कट कर देंगे तो जो बिना कटे हुए numbers हैं, the one which we have not cut, आपको उसमें से smallest लेना है, फिर उसको कट करना है, फिर बचे हुए में से smallest ढूंढना है. Like this you just have to finish the work. और फिर after completing check कि जो आपने नीचे answer लिखा है, the one which I have written with blue color, क्या वो smallest to biggest है? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उसमें कोई बीच में small number आ गया है. Clear? तो आप इसको इस तरह से check भी कर सकते हो. Is that clear to you all? Great. So now what we have to do? Work to be done in notebook. So now do this in notebook. So for this, open your notebook. Open your notebook. Write down date, topic and classwork. You all know where you have to write what. So open your notebook. Write down today's date, your topic for the day and classwork. Clear? And let's see how to do the work. So class, now let's see how we are going to do work in notebook. So as I told you, first we have to write date, then the topic and then classwork. So what's the date today? 17 December 2020. This is our today's date. After mentioning the date, we have to mention classwork. Clear? So what is our today's topic? Topic is ascending order. And today we have what change we have done? We are doing it using both single and 2-digit numbers. So now tell me, in the series of this A series of numbers, the numbers are 8, 10, 14, 18 and 7. So when we are going to arrange them from smallest to biggest, which will be the first number we are going to write here? 4. So what we will do? We are going to write 4. Next number 8, 10, 18 and 7. Which will be the next number? 7. Very good. After 7 we are going to write 8. Okay class. Great. Which will be the next one? 10 or 18? Because 2 are left, 10 and 18. So which number to be written in this block? 10. Very nice. And lastly 18 is left. So we are going to write 18 here. Done. Now in the next one we have 3, 14, 11, 20 and 9. So which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest. So we will copy down here. Next number, tell me. 14, 11, 20 and 9. 9. Very good. After that 14, 11 and 20. इन तीनों में से smallest कौन सा है बेटा? 11. So we will copy 11. Now we have 14 and 20. So which one to be done? Which one to be copied down here? 14. Very good. And last we have 20. Clear? So now moving next. 22, 40, 7, 14 and 35. So tell me which is the smallest here? 14 is the smallest? 7 is the smallest. So we'll write 7. After that 14, very good. After 14 comes 15. But tell me from here, after 14 what will come? 22. Yes, great. Now we have 40 and 35. What is to be written here? 35. And last we have 40. Great. Now moving to the next, we have 18, 11, 4, 37 and 25. So which is the smallest? This is not 40, this is 4 class. See, ma'am ने 0 पहले लिखा है. Don't get confused here. So 4 is the smallest. We'll write 4. Now tell me 18, 11, 37, 25. 11, very good. After that 18, 37 and 25. 18. Okay, now we have 37 and 25. Which is to be written here? 25. And last we are going to write 37. Now moving to the last one here. 14, 0, 5, 20 and 11. Hurry up, tell me fast. The smallest one will be 0. Great. Then we have 14, 5, 20 and 11. 5. Very good. Now we have 14, 20 and 11. 11. Very good. Next one will be 14. And lastly, we are going to write 20. So understood? This is how you are going to do your today's work using 1 and 2, both digits. Clear? So 1 is this classwork. And the next again, homework will be same as classwork. Clear? I need not to tell you. आपको पता है कि जो डिजिट्स क्लास वर्क में लिए हैं वो होमवर्क में सेम ऑर्डर नहीं लोगे आप. You can take some other order. Is that clear? Now it's time for you to finish your work. So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's work. Work to be done as classwork and homework both in your notebook. And with this, one thing more I want to tell you, to have a better understanding of all the topics in math. Maths में जो भी हम topics करते हैं, all are related to your numbers. So बेटा, counting is the basic thing that you should know. Be that your forward counting or your backward counting. आपको दोनों ही counting की practice करते रहना है. I'm not saying रोज करो, but please at least 3 times in a week make a timetable of yours, और दिन पूरे week में 3 times you have to practice your forward and backward counting. Is that clear to all of you? जब तक आपको counting अच्छे से नहीं आएगी, you will not able to do any of the work. Ascending है, additions है, subtractions है, after, before, between, missing numbers, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which is all based on numbers, because maths is all about numbers. So you have to excel yourself in numbers also. Clear? Counting की practice करते रहिए, and after that finish the work and share it with me, and then get ready for today's next class. Bye, take care.